Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the trap indicator. Trap indicator is a concept proprietary tool. This tool catches the open and trapped position of all the option writers. Clicking on the trap indicator, you can see two sections, all and chart. In the all section, you will have the buy and the sell signal for the FNO stocks. You can see all the signal date wise. Then you can also see the closing price at the end of the day and the signal price and the return from it. Let's take stock from 11 September. You can see all this stock and then the signal price, closing rate and the return from the signal. Moving ahead, you can also filter the data on date wise and can select any back date. Let's take 9 September. Here you can see all the stocks which came on the 9 September. Either they are on the sell side or the buy side. The green box indicates the buy signal and the red indicates the sell signal. Further, you can also search for a specific symbol or you can also filter by signal. Here you have three options. First one, show all, then you have buy and then you have sell. Let's select buy signal. So now we have all this stock for the 9th September for which buy signal came. Now you can select any stock and see the chart for that specific stock. Moving towards the chart, on the chart we can see the green lines and the red line and the white line. The green line indicate the buy signals, the red line indicate the sell signals and white line indicate the no trade zone. Now here there might be a big move on the stock but no signal have been generated. So in such scenario, the algorithm could not hide strong data indicating the signal. Then you also have the table view. You have the entry date, then exit date, exit price and return. Lastly, in the same way, you can also see the stock signals and the chart for the stock, or you can also select the desired index or stock. Then you can select the date from when you want to see the chart. Thank you.